guys, welcome back to my cooking kitchen. I haven't made a video in a while, so today I will be making tiramisu. Tiramisu is a classic Italian dessert. Tiramisu means pick me up. This dessert is given this name because it is ladyfingers infused with espresso, layered with mascarpone cream, topped with cocoa powder. I love tiramisu because it has excellent flavor and it wakes you up. The ingredients you need to make tiramisu are 24 ladyfingers, 4 egg yolks, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of mascarpone cheese, 3/4 a cup of heavy cream. This is optional, but 2 tablespoons of rum and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You will also need 1 3/4 cup of espresso, so let's go make it. So we have our Espresso machine set up. If you don't have an espresso machine, you can use a strong coffee. So now we're going to take our capsule and make it. So now we have our espresso, and now we can move on with the rest of our steps. Now we are going to whisk together our egg yolks and half of our sugar. This is half a cup, so 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And we are going to whisk it until it turns into a pale yellow and triples in size. Now we are going to transfer our egg yolks into a different bowl. Once you cleaned your mixer, you are going to whip your heavy cream and the rest of your sugar together until it creates soft peaks. Whisk our mascarpone into our heavy whipping cream mixture. Now we are going to fold our 2 mixtures together. And you have to be very gentle. You don't want to overfold it because you want it to be nice and airy. Before we assemble our tiramisu, we need to mix our espresso and our rum. Again, the rum is optional. Now we have to sift some of our cocoa powder onto the pan so nothing sticks. Now we're going to dip our ladyfingers in the espresso and lay them across the pan. You have to dip them very quick because they get soft very easily. Now we're going to take half of our mascarpone mixture and put it over the ladyfingers. And just spread it over. Now you're going to repeat that same process over again. Now we're going to cover the whole top layer with cocoa powder. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for 4 hours. I took it out of the fridge and I cut it up and it looks absolutely amazing. It looks so good. So now it's time to taste it. It looks really good. The ratio of cookie to cream to cocoa powder is perfect. And the cocoa powder and espresso balance each other out perfectly. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. Bye! Time to taste it. It looks really good. It's good.